Hi, what's up? Everything is going on nicely. Many more good comments are coming. Some students are telling that, sir, prepare a video on literary device or figure of speech. Some are telling other things. Well. That means first priority should go to the students. It is meant for you. But as our series is going on, article series, already we have discussed indefinite article or on. Already we have completed. But then another article is there, that is definite article. Definite article means the. If we divide this definite article, then I think it will be completed within a two part. Within two parts. Two parts are required. That's why for the first part, we have taken some examples, some specific rules. If you read, if you learn, and if you understand, then I think you will face no problem, not only for your board exam or school exams, but also for the competitive exams. Okay? Good, keep it up, go ahead, comment me, I will try to solve the problem. Okay. Now article the means definite, means particular. Definite means particular. Okay. In where we have to use the, I have taken 6 formulas. We will discuss it, and another rest part will be discussed. Okay. When we mention a noun for a second or subsequent times, that means here it tells that when we mention a noun will be mentioned for a second, for the second time or more time. For example, I have bought a fan. A fan. Here O article is used. I have bought a fan. That means it is indefinite article. Any fan. Any fan. I have bought a fan. Okay. But a fan, here you see, and the fan, here it is written the fan is out of order. The fan. That means which fan? A fan means which fan I bought. Here in this sentence, that fan became the particular. Suppose I have bought a watch which is out of order. Now the watch is out of order. That means which fan I bought, that fan only. That means here the fan is repeated, mentioned, say for the second time. So it will take the. That means here same fan became the particular. Okay, that means the formula says for a second time, when we mention a noun for a second time or subsequent times, then it will take the article. Here I have bought a fan. If you tell I have bought the fan, that means no one can understand. The fan means which fan. But here you can understand the fan is out of order. That means this fan, same fan is repeated here. Okay, it may be sorrow. Okay. Then second example. I made a paper boat. You made a paper boat. But the paper boat, which paper boat was made by you? Which paper boat was made by you was not liked by all. No one liked it. All did not like it. That means here I made here indefinite article. Indefinite, but same paper boat, it became particular paper boat, so it took the. It took the. The paper boat was not like that. That means when we mention a noun for the second time or subsequent time, we will use the. Clear? Clear? Any problem? Now come to before any noun, when the hearer knows the person. Hearer knows. Suppose I know you and you know me. That means we both are known to each other. Hearer knows to you and I know you. At that time, or the thing we are talking about, or about a thing, about a person or about a thing, if we are talking, then it will carry the. Clear? How? See, the headmaster. The headmaster, it is written the headmaster. The peon. The peon. That means here the headmaster knows the peon and the peon knows the headmaster. That means both are known to each other. If both are known to each other, then we will use the. Isn't it? If both are known. That means here the headmaster knows the peon and the peon knows to the headmaster. Okay? Then, and the headmaster asked him to ring the bell. That means the bell is known to all. That means here the bell indicates to the school bell. Not other bell. No, it is only meant for the school bell. Clear? 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 Did you understand? Before any noun, when the hearer, that means hearer knows the person or the things we are talking about, then we will use the. Clear? Again, number 3. And with all superlative degrees. Super adjective, comparative, superlative degree. Think. Only good, better, best. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Last part, superlative degree. In superlative degree, always takes the article. How? All want to have the best thing. The best, good, better, best. The best means the best. Okay, wish you all the best. Isn't it? Okay. He is the most intelligent. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So the more, the most. That means you remember before all superlatives, you will use the. Okay. Again, Mira is the fastest. Mira is the fast. Fast, faster, fastest. Isn't it? Fast, faster, fastest. Adjective, comparative, superlative. That means here you know that before superlative degree we can use article the. Clear? Any problem? Any problem? Okay. Then come to here with adjectives to indicate a general class. You know, rich is an adjective, but when it indicates to a general class, that means the rich. The rich means not a single person. All the rich people of the world. All the rich people. The rich means all the rich. You cannot write the rich people. That is not right. All the rich people. Rich people, not people. The rich. Rich means all the rich people. The rich should help the poor. The poor means not a particular, all the poor. All the poor people. Here, the rich means rich persons. The poor means poor persons. That means adjective to indicate a general class. It does not indicate a single person. It does not single to a single poor person, poor man. That means whole class is general class. Then here the is used. Okay. The blind. The blind means all the blind men. All the blind men. The blind means all the blind men. Clear? If you write the blind man, then you can say single person. The blind man. The rich man, single person. But the rich, the blind depends. So it is plural. It is plural. The blind. Don't think it is singular. The blind depend. That means all the blind men depend on our support. Clear? Clear? As well as number 3. The young. The young means young mass. All the young people. That means not a single, not indicate to a single person. The young as well as the old. As well as all the old people. The old means all the old people. The young means all the young people. Need our care. That means here the young means not a particular young man. The old means not a particular old man. So need our care. Clear? Clear? Then come to number 5. With some nationality. With some nationality to indicate the people living in that country. Under some nationality. Clear? Please remember, some nationality living in that particular country. See, the English. The English before it is used the English means the people of England. If you tell English, it will be a language. Clear? The English means the people of England. But if you tell English, only English, it will be a language. Okay, like the English left India, that means the Britishers left India. The people of England left India in 1947, isn't it? Like that, the Japanese, that means the people of Japan, isn't it? It indicates to a nationality, the people of Japan. The Japanese are hardworking, but if you tell Japanese, it will be a language. Only if you tell Japanese, it is a language. If you tell English, it is a language. If you tell the Japanese, the people of Japan. Okay, but you can use all Japanese if you are using all Japanese means person of Japanese nationality. Person of a Japanese nationality. That means he is a Japanese. Here you see. Now the question arises, sir, you told if the Japanese will use the, but here it is a single person, isn't it? Okay, clear? Any problem? Here you have to understand very clearly the rich, the poor, the blind. Okay, here the English, especially the English, the Japanese, like that. These two things are coming in the examination, because sometimes you are getting confusion. Okay, well, if you tell that the Indians, the people of India, but if you tell India, is it a language? No, it is not a language. Okay, so here you have to remember the Japanese and the English. Sometimes it indicates the people of India, the English means people of England, and the Japanese means the people of Japan. But the English means the language, Japanese means the language. Or Japanese means a person of Japanese nationality. Okay, clear? Then come to number 6. Another point is there, that it is known to you already. You are known. That means before the names of great books and a newspaper. You remember that if it is a great book and it is the name of a newspaper, then you can use the. Okay, so the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Panchatantra, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Indian Express. These are the names of the newspaper. Before the name of the newspaper, you can use the. Okay, in editing, letter to the editor, sometimes the question is coming, write a letter to the editor, indicating the name of the newspaper. Sometimes what we are doing, we are not using the Hindu, we are writing the Hindu. Okay, so here clear you got name of the newspaper and also some great books or epics, you can say. We can use the. That means the first part I have taken 6 rules. Many more rules are there. In the next part, next video, in the next part, in part 2, we will cover all the articles. Okay, is there any problem? If you have any problem, my dear students, very nicely you are commenting me. Very nicely you are eager is to learn. So I have to support that. Do good, be good, and avoid which? Junk food. Thank you.